Hey friends, I just got back from Alaska and I'm actually going to be going back in 2 weeks. So I thought I would share with you what I'm packing. First off, coats. I am doing basically a raincoat that has a fleece lining. It is a mid-weight jacket. Do not pack the heavy puffy jackets. You don't need them. It's all about layering when going to Alaska. So again, a good water resistant or raincoat because it does rain a lot and you want to be prepared. One that has a hood on it. The other jacket I pack is more lightweight one, and that is just a fleece one, zip up. That's good for those times when the temperature is just a little bit chilly, but not enough for a heavier coat. When it is cold, there will be times that you're going to want a hat. So pack a good hat. And then I love this. It's just basically a neck shawl. And what is great about it is that when it's really cold, you can pull it up and it will kind of cover your nose and keep more of your face warm. But again, love the neck shawl. Always a good scarf is handy. Sometimes, again, that's all you need with a lighter jacket. Then gloves. I always pack kind of two gloves. I have just a lightweight thin glove that I use most of the time. On the last Alaska trip, there was like one day where it was a little chilly and I had to break out a heavier glove. So I do recommend something like this that has that extra insulation and it is water resistant. Just for when if it is an extra cold day or if you're going to be hiking up in the higher altitudes where definitely the temperatures will drop. Alaska is all about the jeans. So you do not need to pack shorts. This is going to be a jeans trip. So pack several pairs of jeans. And on the really cold days, what I'll do is I'll wear leggings underneath the jeans. And honestly, I was in upper 20s, low 30s, and I had the jeans with the leggings on underneath, and I was fine. Never had an issue. One thing I didn't prepare enough was on my socks. So I recommend doing a long sock, and then over that, do some shorter socks. So basically double sock your toes, because honestly, that was the only thing that was cold last time was my toes. So shoes wise, unless you're going to be hiking up in the woods and a serious hiker, then yeah, sure, pack your heavy, bulky hiking shoes. But the rest of the time, I mean, all you need is just a good tennis shoe. I had one pair of shoes that I used just for excursions. That way, if they did get wet, I still had another pair that I could use. But yeah, just regular tennis shoes with a good rubber sole. Again, it's all about layering. So on those colder days, underneath my coat, I would wear first a really heavy ribbed camisole. So these are kind of a heavier weight, and they really hug the body and keep the warmth in. And then just simply like a sweater, or, you know, long john type material over that. And again, in the 20s and 30s, I never had an issue. I felt great. So I hope that was helpful. The key is that, yes, you're going to have to pack a little bit more than you would for in a Caribbean, but just do layers. So that way you can take it off when it does warm up in Alaska, and because you're going to have all temperatures. So I hope that's helpful. Like and subscribe.